To another what I eat in a day. It feels like the longest time since I recorded one of these, and I think it actually is since lockdown. It's just been so mega hectic and busy, and I just haven't found the motivation along with everything else to get these filmed, and most of the time it has been vlogs. But I do want to get some more cooking content, and I do want to make sure that these are going up regularly because I know how much you guys love them, and I really missed filming them actually. So I'm going to do one today, and this morning started off very simple, homeschooling day. So I got up and I had some of this cereal, which I really enjoy. I get it from Tesco, oops, and it is the raisin wheat, and I really like it. I'm not 100% sure of the point value. I will pop that in the description box for you, but I just had a portion of that along with a cup of tea. And now it's lunchtime and I'm feeling hungry, but I'm also quite tired, so I want something quick. So I have this lovely farmhouse superseded loaf here from Aldi that I'm going to have, along with a guilty pleasure. Now please don't judge me guys, but I'm going to have a chicken spread sandwich. I absolutely love chicken spread. I have loved it ever since I was a child, and it's a comfort for me. It's quick, it's easy, and I can have it with like some crisps and a cup of Coke, which is my ideal scenario really. So I'm gonna make that. I'm not sure in regards to point value. I'll check all that for you at the moment. For any of you that's wondering, I have lost a bit of weight. You are right if you're thinking it. I've lost about 5 pounds, which is not great, but I recently started medication and I feel like everything's a bit up in the air at the moment, so I'm hoping that will settle soon. But that's just addressing that. But I am not pointing at all, but I will give you guys the values if you should want them. And then tonight, for dinner tonight, we're having an Indian dish, which I'm very excited about. We're going to have fenugreek chicken, which is a very aromatic dish of marinated chicken. We're probably going to have it with rice or bread, and it's going to be delicious. And I like to cook with fenugreek because I think it's very aromatic. It's quite mild as well, but that really lovely taste. So I hope you all enjoy it. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. I'll pop my outfit down below. This is what I've been wearing on the regular. My big knitted joggers from Mango. I love them. I've been living in them. And this body is from New Look. I think I got it in the sale for like £5 or £6. I'll link it down below. It actually has a zip fastening as well, which is quite nice, especially if you wanted to wear it slightly lower. But that's all that. And yeah, I hope you enjoy it. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and let's get on with the day. Okay, so as I mentioned, I'm not 100% sure of the point value, so I'm going to give it to you guys. But again, I want to reiterate, I am not pointing, especially at the moment. So this is 6 points per 100 grams. You're nowhere near going to have 100 grams worth. In fact, this whole jar is not even 100 grams. It's a 75 gram, and I would say I probably have just over a third of it. So you're looking at about 2 points for the serving of chicken spread. And when it comes to the seeded loaf, I will check that for you because bread can always vary, and I tend to do it more on weight as opposed to slice. But again, at the moment, I'm just not going to bother with that. If you were to do it on slices, it's 8, but do check the weight, get it on your scales, because it might be 6 or even 7 points. So do check that. But I'm going to have obviously 2 slices of that. And I know this isn't very aesthetically pleasing, but it gets me through the day at the moment. I've been super busy, and sometimes a little bit of what you fancy is great. Let me know down below if you like chicken spread, because I think some of you were horrified last time I had it, and some of you were really curious. I just love it. I don't like pate, but I love chicken spread. And this one from Aldi is just as good as the Shipham's one that I used to buy. So yeah. That is my sandwich, and I'm also going to have a side of my favourite crisps, which are the M&S hand-cooked black truffle and olive oil crisps. I don't have many of these. I just like a bit of crunch along with my sandwich. That's probably about 4 points worth, something like that. Again, I'm not pointing, but if you guys wanted to know, I'm pretty sure when I pointed them before and checked for you guys, it's about that. So that is my lunch. I'm going to have a Coke Zero. Which was great, and I've just made myself a latte. These are 4 points each. They're the Nescafe lattes. You guys have seen me have them a ton of times, and because I mentioned, because I've lost a bit of weight, I really do want to make sure that I have a sweet treat today. And my mum brought these over the other day, you may have seen in the last vlog. And I have cream egg and caramel eggs, and I think today I'm gonna have a caramel egg. Again, I'm not gonna point this, not gonna bother tracking it or looking it up, but I imagine it'd be about 9-10 points for the whole thing. But I'm gonna have that with my coffee. Enjoy. Cannot wait, actually. Alright, so it's time to make dinner, and as I mentioned before, I'm going to be making a marinade for chicken. It's going to be very much around fenugreek, which is what you see here, these green herbs. You can get them fresh. If you are getting fresh, I would say use about, I don't know, like a real big, like quite a big bunch, like a big bunch. It's really difficult to describe, but like double of this that is coriander. I also have a very specific blend of herbs and spices, which I will put in the description box down below. I have some salt and pepper, some yogurt, I have a lemon here, but feel free to use a lime. I have a green chili, some mustard, this is the coarse grain mustard. I have some skinless chicken breast. Now that's of course free. If you want to check in regards to everything else, the only thing you need to factor in is your yogurt really, and you can just buy fat free, which I think is free on all plans, correct me if I'm wrong. But all I'm going to do first is get my yogurt with my chicken, and that will really tenderize it, and I'm going to leave it for about 15 minutes, and then I will come back, chop the coriander, get the lemon juice out, and combine it all with the chicken with the spices, and it'll be delicious. And I'm going to leave it marinating for at least 45 minutes before I put it in an oven dish and cook it. I completely forgot to mention, you're going to need either some fresh or ginger puree, preferably puree, and it does say garlic puree, but I don't have any, so I'm just going to grind these 2 fat cloves of garlic up as well. Admittedly, I got to my chicken a little bit late, which is probably why it looks a tad dry at the end, just because something came up with Layla and I had to sort that out, and I ended up having my dinner like an hour and a half after I made it, but it was fine, it was delicious, we really enjoyed it. I had it with bread and cucumber and it was really yummy. So I'm going to put the recipe for that marinade in the description, make sure you check it out, it's a really low point value, and I'll see you in my next one.